Hi guys, thanks for being here with me today. My name's Nikki and this is my art channel. Hope you're all well. So my canvas today is a 14-inch square canvas and I'm doing cloud pours. As you can see, the first one was unsuccessful. What I am going for is I wanted to look a little bit different to the normal cloud pours. I wanted to have negative space. And I think my paints were too thin, so I've thickened them up. And my paints are Liquitex Bright Aqua Green, Atelier Phthalo Blue with just a touch of white in, just to brighten it up a little bit. Modern Masters Pharaoh Gold mixed with Liquitex Copper, and Prussian Blue by Liquitex. And I did add just a touch of Dioxazine Purple into the Prussian Blue, just when I was thickening it up. Just because I grabbed the wrong colour, but it's so it's like an indigo colour now. And my cloud mix, I will put the recipe in the description box below, because obviously I tweaked it a little bit because I wanted it a little bit thicker, so that will be in the description box below along with all the colours. So yeah, as you can see, what I did, I just put the colours in the bottom of the cup, and I didn't add any cloud mix until the top. So I just layered the colours just once, and then I think I might have layered them twice, just rewound and just to have a look. And it was just the aqua that I used twice, so it was a lot of white because I wanted the negative space, some sort of negative space. And I'm sorry you can't see it coming out of the cup the way I've got the camera, but I can't change the camera angle the way I've got it fitted, because I've got it fitted overhead. But I'm literally just doing a straight pour, and I like how it's come out this time. It's looking different, and that's what I wanted. I wanted it to be a different sort of effect for a cloud pour. See if I can get something with negative space. And the paint that I put on the corners, that isn't satin enamel, that's just normal white acrylic with Floetrol. But I don't need that much to go on the corners because I've got obviously the paint underneath from the fail pour. I'm just taking a photo of it because I think that's quite cool the way it's come out. And just in case it all goes Pete Tong again, so at least I've got that to remember what it looked like when I poured it. It's always good to know what it looks like before you've stretched it and tilted it. So I'm just stretching it, stretching the paint out before I spin it, because obviously being a square canvas, the corners are always hard to cover. So if you can kind of try and stretch it towards the corners, or get the composition that you like first, get some of the paint out from the centre of the canvas. But I love how I've got all the colour in the one bit and the wispy lacing in the other bit. It's like yin and yang. I think it turned out quite cool, this. And the colours are beautiful. That phthalo blue with the turquoise, aqua, it's really nice. But my favourite part is the very pale wispiness, which is sort of at 7 o'clock now, that just that blue and white lacing area, which is obviously where I put all of the satin enamel mix, the cloud mix. At the end, some of the blue must have just seeped through. Yeah, and it's so nice. When you see the close-ups, you'll see what I mean. It almost looks like it's been swiped. You've got the lacing. Really pretty. So yeah, I'm happy with this. Yeah, so I'll let you watch the rest because there's a lot of, let's say, tilting and spinning going on. So I'll put you some music on so you can carry on watching, and then I'll come back to you.
There's a world inside my head.
I'm happy with this. I've really enjoyed doing a different technique. It's been so long since I've done any cloud pours. And I do love cloud pours. I think they're so pretty. But I just wanted to try and mix it up and sort of put my spin on it. And I love negative space. But I do like this, how it's very yin and yang with the pale bit and the other part with all the colour in it. I love the pale part, all the wispy lines and lacing. I love that part. But yeah, my next video will be another cloud pour, and it is very minimalistic. I did it straight after this one. There's a lot more of that lacing in it. So yeah, and it's on the round canvas. So thanks for being here, and if you like it, please hit the like button and share and subscribe if you haven't already, so that you know when I put out a new video. And thank you all for all your lovely comments, and take care. Stay safe, everybody, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.